Hey YouTubers, what's going on? It's FanMoreman here. This is a 1998 to 99 Lasko model 3733 20-inch box fan. I picked this fan up at a flea market about a week ago for, I think it was $4. Yeah, it was $4. I bought this along with another box fan, but I'll be videoing that one sometime later. This thing's in, I guess you could say, pretty much mint condition aside from a little bit of rust on the bottom. The grills are both 100% complete. No cracks or nothing anywhere. They're perfect. None of the plastic is yellowed out at all. Everything's all nice and white still. The knob does have a bit of dirt on it because I turned the thing on when I had greasy hands from working on a tractor. It's a pretty cool fan. I like it. It's actually very good quality. It moves more air than a 3rd gen Lakewood does, which is kind of surprising to me. Usually they moved more air than these did, but I compared this to my 95-223, and this for sure was moving more air than it did, for sure. So yeah, pretty cool fan here. It's got the full-size Marco motor, of course, because it has the banana blades. I never saw a small motor fan with banana blades before, so I'm assuming they all had the Marcos. I am hoping to find myself one of the big motored, flower petal blade fans at some point, but so far I haven't had good luck with that. I want one because it's my childhood fan, because we used to have one back when I think we got it when I was 3, which would mean we got it in 2001. And I know for a fact it had the big motor, because we still have its motor, but the fan got crushed when I was, I think, 9. Yes, the fan was crushed because it got ran over by a car by accident, so that was the end of that fan. So anyway, that's it for this video. So, as usual, thank you guys for watching, and I hope all you guys enjoyed.